a veg box, and we are using.
Look up so I can see you.
We are using a. What kind of glass did you say?
Plexiglass.
Plexiglass.
For back here, this is going to be the root vegetable box. So this area is going to get filled with dirt, and we're going to put plexiglass on the sides so that we can actually see our root vegetables as they grow. So that's there. And then this is going to be, we need another piece of wood and to close off the ends, but this will be the vegetable garden. This is a 10 by 4, and we'll do, depending on the crop, we'll do 2 wide or 3 wide, and that's what we got there. And then it's perfect height for Justin to plant. And then show me how high you can reach up, Justin. How high? So we can have tomatoes growing that high, and he can still get them. But this way, it's perfect height for him. Pretend like you're planting something in the dirt. Plant something in the dirt. You see, right, like that. He's able to do it, water the garden, and watch it grow. Awesome. We'll keep filming as our garden grows, right?
Yes.
Cool. And there's Everest, being a good girl. Good girl, Everest.